Welcome to Top 5 Verdict. The best Pop Rivet Kit is probably one of the most versatile and indispensable tools for any DIY enthusiast, mechanic, or craftsman looking to securely join two pieces of material together, especially when access to the back of the joint is limited, offering a robust and permanent fastening solution that can withstand vibration and stress, making it ideal for a wide range of applications from automotive repairs and metal fabrication to crafting and home improvement projects. Number 5. WETOLS Upgraded Manual Pop Rivet Gun Kit. This upgraded manual rivet gun kit is designed for ultimate versatility. It features 4 tool-free interchangeable rivet heads, making it easy to switch between sizes for any project. Plus, extra rivets are conveniently stored right on the handle. Experience hassle-free riveting with its intuitive design. The knurled unibody and guide mouth allow for tool-free changes and maintenance. You can easily select the right size and operate it with one hand for lighter tasks, or use 2 hands for faster, more precise results. Crafted with a high-quality aluminum alloy body and reinforced carbon steel handle, this tool is built for durability. The ergonomic, double-curved handle and protective PVC grip ensure comfortable, labor-saving operation, even during extended use. From construction and maintenance to DIY projects, this professional riveter handles aluminum, steel, and stainless steel rivets. It's the perfect companion for a variety of riveting needs. This comprehensive kit includes the rivet gun, 200 aluminum rivets in various sizes, 4 drill bits, a user manual, and a sturdy BMC carrying case. Everything you need is right here, backed by a 24-month warranty for your peace of mind. What we like. This one offers great versatility with 4 interchangeable rivet heads, making it easy to switch sizes on the fly. If you're looking for a comprehensive kit that includes a generous amount of rivets for various projects, this is a solid choice. It's ideal for DIYers who want a tool ready for immediate use without needing extra purchases. What people say. The Pop Rivet Kit is a great addition to my toolbox. It has a good selection of rivets and the tool itself is comfortable to hold and operate. I was impressed with the quality of the rivets provided in the kit. They are strong and hold well, making them suitable for various projects. The rivet gun included in the kit is very effective. It drives the rivets smoothly and securely, which is essential for a professional finish. Number 4. NEU Master Rivet Gun with 200 PCS rivets. Introducing the NEU Master Rivet Gun Kit, your all-in-one solution for various fastening needs. This kit comes with everything you need to get started right away. It features 4 color-coded, tool-free interchangeable rivet heads for quick and easy changes. Each head is conveniently stored on the handle, making adjustments effortless. Crafted with a robust aluminum alloy structure and a reinforced carbon steel handle, this tool is built for strength and durability. Its high-quality body ensures stable operations and a long lifespan. Designed for comfort and efficiency, its ergonomic grip allows for single-hand operation, saving you over 20% effort. The fixed sleeve and knurled heads make maintenance simple. This comprehensive set includes the rivet gun, 200 aluminum rivets in 4 sizes, a sturdy BMC case, and a user manual. You also receive a worry-free 2-year warranty. Perfect for a wide range of applications, including metalwork, automotive, aviation, and furniture assembly. It's also ideal for fastening metal and heavy fabrics in repair jobs. What we like. With its color-coded and tool-free interchangeable heads, this option makes identifying and switching sizes incredibly simple. If you value durability and a longer warranty period, this heavy-duty tool is a great pick. It's perfect for frequent use in metalworking, automotive, or furniture applications where a reliable tool is essential. What people say. This rivet gun is very easy to use and comfortable to hold. It comes with a good assortment of rivets in various sizes, making it versatile for different projects. The tool feels sturdy and well-built, suggesting it will last a long time. Number 3. Aero Heavy Duty Riveter Kit. Introducing the Aero Heavy Duty Riveter Kit, your professional solution for all your riveting needs. This tool is designed for efficiency and ease of use. It works seamlessly with rivets ranging from 332-inch to 532-inch in diameter. This makes it perfect for a wide array of general-purpose riveting tasks. Tackle those hard-to-reach spots with confidence thanks to its extended nose design. It's ideal for projects like gutters, furniture, and canvas work. Enjoy portable fastening with this manual riveter. It comes with 4 interchangeable heads, ensuring you have everything you need to get started right away. This versatile tool is perfect for metalwork, gutters, automotive projects, and many other common applications. Whether you're a beginner or an expert, it will meet your requirements. What we like. This tool stands out with its extended nose, designed specifically for those tricky, hard-to-reach spots. If your projects often involve gutters, furniture, or canvas work where access is limited, this is the one to consider. It's a straightforward, professional-grade riveter for general-purpose tasks, suitable for both beginners and experienced users. What people say. This Pop Rivet Kit is a great value for the price. The Rivet Gun is comfortable to hold and operate, making it easy to use even for extended periods. It comes with a good assortment of rivets in various sizes, which is convenient for different projects. Number 2. ISPINNER 385 PCS Aluminum Blind Rivets Assortment Kit. Introducing the ISPINNER Blind Rivets Assortment Kit, your solution for durable and reliable fastening. Crafted from high-quality aluminum grip and steel mandrel, these rivets offer exceptional corrosion and acid resistance. They are built to last, ensuring they won't rust or break after installation. This comprehensive kit includes 385 rivets in 8 commonly used sizes, covering all your daily fastening needs. From 1/8 to 3/16 diameters and various lengths, you'll find the perfect fit. All 385 rivets are neatly organized in a sturdy, transparent plastic case for easy storage and access. The case itself can be repurposed for additional storage. These rivets are incredibly strong and suitable for both indoor and outdoor applications. They provide a secure hold without deforming surfaces and offer good resistance to temperature fluctuations. For detailed size specifications, please refer to Picture 4 in the product listing. Ensure you select the correct size for your project. What we like. This kit provides an extensive assortment of 8 different sizes and a large quantity of 385 rivets, all with excellent corrosion and acid resistance. If you need a wide variety of rivet sizes for diverse indoor and outdoor applications and want to avoid rust issues, this is an excellent value. It's perfect for anyone who tackles a broad range of repair and construction projects. What people say. The kit comes with a variety of rivet sizes, making it versatile for different projects. It includes a comfortable handle grip, which reduces hand fatigue during prolonged use. The rivet gun has a sturdy construction and feels durable, suggesting it will last a long time. Number 1. ISPINNER 125 PCS Large Flange Aluminum Blind Rivets Assortment Kit. Introducing our premium blind rivets, crafted with durable aluminum and steel. Their exceptional corrosion resistance makes them ideal for any environment, ensuring long-lasting performance. Experience a strong and reliable hold with these rivets. The large flange design distributes force evenly, while the thick shaft guarantees a secure connection every time. This comprehensive kit includes 125 rivets in 5 convenient sizes. You'll have the perfect size for any project, from small repairs to larger installations. All 125 rivets are neatly packed in a transparent, sturdy case. This makes storage easy and keeps your rivets organized and accessible wherever you need them. These rivets are built to last, performing exceptionally well in both indoor and outdoor applications. They maintain surface integrity and offer excellent resistance to temperature changes. What we like. The key feature here is the large flange design, which increases the contact area for a stronger, more secure hold. If you're working with materials that require extra grip or are concerned about surface deformation, this is the ideal choice. It's great for applications where a robust and reliable fastening is critical, ensuring the integrity of your work. What people say. The rivet gun is well made and sturdy, with a comfortable grip that makes it easy to use for extended periods. It comes with a good assortment of rivet sizes, making it versatile for various projects. The mechanism for inserting and setting rivets is smooth and efficient, requiring minimal effort. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.